Today we're looking at a W212 rear speaker replacement. So here I have a 2015 Mercedes E350 sedan, and this speaker, the cone, has come dislodged and it's been rattling. So we need to replace this assembly. To do that, here's a little overview. So we start by folding down the rear seat. This car has the sunshade and the folding rear seats. So there's levers on the top of the trunk right here to fold down the rear seats. Pull them down, and then the side bolsters here just are held in with this in this slot. You just give it a real good yank out, and it'll come out. It shouldn't damage anything. After that, you need to remove the C-pillar trim. Before you remove the C-pillar trim, you need to remove the sunshade rail. The sunshade rail, you pry out at the top. Start at the top here, and just pry it straight outwards. And then once these clips are somewhat loose, you can just pull it straight out and it comes loose. After that, you need to take this airbag tab loose, because it kind of pinches when it pinches the C-pillar trim to the headliner. So this tab sticks behind the headliner. So you want to pry it at the back side here, pop that loose, and then you can take the whole C-pillar trim and pull outward this way. And then once it's kind of pried loose this way, you can pull it out like that. You do that to both sides. So after that, you'll have two black rubber surrounded bushings. You want to pull, I don't see where mine are. They're buried under all this stuff somewhere. Oh wait, put them on the floor here. Right here. So you'll want to pull the center out with a little pick. I use one of these. Pull the center out, and then you should be able to pull the whole thing off. After that, the whole rear deck is the next step. So you can take these off by these little tabs here, hold them in. So I use the same pick to kind of pull the tabs in while pulling up at the same time. So I kind of do one side, I stick it in there, pull it up a little bit, and then the other side, pull the whole thing off. And then there's two little plastic clips in these two holes, one on this side, one on the other side. They're in the very back, they're like way back here. I use this tool, pull both of those out, then the whole sunshade can pull this way out. You'll have to lift it above the side bolster and then pull it straight out, and then that's that. And then the speaker, look underneath, there's 4 screws sticking down. You can see there's one there, one there, one there, one there. The front two, pretty easy. One's in here, one's in here. The back two are kind of hard to find. So you pretty much go a little bit back from the two corners. So a little bit back from here, and it's about straight down there. It's a Torx head screw. It's not in a circular thing like this one is. It's kind of hard to find, but if you feel around back there, it's maybe half an inch to 3/4 of an inch behind this rim, and then this one's the same way. It's just a little bit behind that point right there. straight down there. And then to remove the speaker.